Good morning, children. Welcome to mathematics class. Yesterday we have completed lesson number 4. So once again I will repeat that. I'll explain it once again so you can recall, or if you can't understand any specific matter, now you can understand. Okay, in lesson number 4 we have discussed about addition horizontally, addition vertically, subtraction horizontally and subtraction of vertical. Okay, now once again I will show you how to do addition horizontally. Okay, now horizontally means in the row wise. 7 plus 5, 9 plus 3, 3 plus 5, 2 plus 0. Okay, this is in horizontal question, addition horizontally. How to do? I told you already that to do addition, what you have to do, you should keep big number in your mind and the small number in your hand. Okay, 7 plus 5, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So the answer is 12. One more method to draw the lines. First 7 lines, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 lines plus 5 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Counting all the lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 12 is the answer. Next, 9 plus 3. Big number in your mind, small number in your hand. 9 plus 3. 9, 10, 11, 12. Again, 12 is the answer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 plus 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 is the answer. 3 plus 5. Big number is 5, small number is 3. So keep big number in your mind. 5 plus 3. 5, 6, 7, 8. So the answer is 8. 1, 2, 3 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2 plus 0. 2 plus 0 means nothing. 2 plus nothing, 2 only. So answer is 2. 2 plus 0 means nothing. How many lines? 2 lines. So this is addition with horizontally. Addition horizontally. Now addition vertically. 7 plus 3, 5 plus 0, 6 plus 8. Same method but writing answers in different place. That's it. Now 7 plus 3, first find the big number. 7 is the big number. So 3 is small number. Keep 7 in your mind and 3 in your hand. 7, 3, 7, 8, 9, 10. So answer is 10. 5 plus 0. 5 plus 0. 0 means nothing. So 5 plus 0, 5. 6 plus 8. So which is big number? 8 is the big number. So keep the 8 in your mind and the small number 6 in your hand. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Answer is 14. This is addition vertically. And then subtraction horizontally. Subtraction horizontally. Okay, this is horizontally. So big number minus one small number. How to do this? So these many lines you should put first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. These many lines you should cross. 3. So 1, 2, 3. 3 lines you should cross. Remaining will be the answer. 1, 2, 3, 4 is the answer. Next 8 minus 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 5 will be cross. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many are remaining? 3 is the answer. 7 minus 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. 0 means you should not cross any number. So how many are remaining? 7 only. 4 minus 3. 4. 1, 2, 3. 3. So answer is 1. This is subtraction horizontally. Then subtraction vertically. 7 minus 6. 3 minus 2. 5 minus 5. 9 minus 4. Okay. This is subtraction vertically. These many lines you should put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then these many cross out. How many remaining? 1. 1, 2, 3 minus 2. 2 you should cross. Now only 1 is remaining. 5 minus 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again we should subtract. 5 means 5 lines we should subtract. All lines have crossed out. So no, 1 also remaining. So nothing is remaining means answer is 0. 9 minus 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So cross out 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is the answer. This is subtraction vertically. Next we will go for the new lesson. Let's open page number 202. Lesson number 5. Numbers from 10 to 20. Numbers from 10 to 20. In this lesson, what we are going to learn? Let us learn about developing the concept of tens and ones, number sequences 10 to 20, comparison of numbers up to 20, ordinal numbers. These many concepts you are going to learn in this lesson. What are those? Developing the concept of tens and ones, number sequences 10 to 20, comparison of numbers up to 20, then ordinal numbers. These things you are going to learn in this lesson. So get set, go. Look at your book. Draw the correct number of dots in the empty boxes. Read aloud counting from 1 to 9. Okay. First means this is 1 with 1 dot. This is 1. This is 2 with 2 dots. This is 2. Next 3 boxes empty in your book. You have to draw this. How many dots we should draw here? 1, 2, then 3 we should draw. 1, 2, 3. Okay, then 4. They have given it. Next, the box is empty. How many dots we should draw in this? After 4, 5. So we should draw 5 dots. Next, this box is empty. After 5, 6 dots we should draw. then 7, next 8, then 9. Okay, already you have learnt how much 1 to 9 number as well as writing number names. What are number names? ONE1, TWO2, THREE3, FOUR4, FIVE5, SIX6, SEVEN7, EIGHT8, NINE9 and TEN10. In this lesson you will learn from 10 to 20. Okay. Next page. Developing the concept of tens and ones. Okay. What is tens and what is ones? Just look at the page number 203. Tens, ones, number name. See the picture. There are teddy bears. How many? There are 10 teddy bears. Ones place is 0 because there is no any picture. So that consider as 0. Number name column you see 1, 10 and 0, 1 is 10. So 10. In the second column there are some sunflowers. There are 10 sunflowers plus 1 sunflower. So 1, 10 and 1, 1 is 11. So L1. Next there are 10 starfishes plus 2 starfishes. So 1, 10 and 2 ones is 12. So answer is 12. Again 10 balls plus 3 balls, 1, 10 and 3 ones is 13. 13 number name is THIRTEN 13. Then 10 fishes plus 4 fishes, 1, 10 and 4 ones is 14. The spelling is FOURTEN 14. Next page, 10 leaves plus 5 leaves. 1, 10 and 5 ones is 15. FIFTEN 15. Balloons, 10 balloons plus 6 balloons is equal to 1, 10 and 6 ones is 16. SIXTEN 16. There are 10 trees plus 7 trees, totally 17. SEVENTEN 17. Triangles, 1, 10 plus 8 ones is equal to 18. EIGHTEN 18. 10 balls with 9 balls is equal to 1, 10 plus 9 ones is equal to 90. Then kites. There are 2 tens in the sense there are 20 kites. So TWENT1 20. Okay. About this, what is ones, what is tens? I will explain you. Just watch. This is 1. So 1 ones. 1 1. Now these have become 2. So this is 2 ones. Now this is 3 ones. 4 ones. 5 ones. Okay. Next 6 ones. 7 ones. 8 ones. 9 ones and 10 ones. 10 ones is nothing but 1 10. Okay. 1 10 is plus 1 ones is equal to 11. It means 1 10 ಗೆ ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ಸೇರಿಸೋದು, that is 11. ELEVEN 11. Next 1 10 17. 10 plus 8 ones is equal to 18. 10 plus 9 ones is equal to 19. 110 plus 110 is nothing but 110 plus 110 is nothing but 2 tens is equal to 20. How the number from 10 to 20 will form, this is the concept. The spellings are ELEVEN 11, TWELVE 12, THIR TEEN 13, FOUR TEEN 14, FIF TEEN 15, SIX TEEN 16, SEVEN TEEN 17, ERGH TEEN 18, next NINE TEEN 19, TWEN TY 20. Okay, these are the number names from L1 to 20. So today is your work is to by heart the spellings from ONU1 to TWENTY 20. You are perfect already, but also once you practice this and by heart the tables from 0 to 20. Okay, thank you.